Jackson, what do you want?
More nuts.
Snacks?
Nice.
Good boy. You want to show me what you want? Show Daddy what you want. Let's go. Come on.
I see pictures.
You want to see pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say, hi, Auntie Deborah?
I can't.
Can you say, hi, Auntie Faith?
I can't.
Jackson, come on. Can you say, hi, Rebecca?
Hi, Rebecca.
Say, hi, Uncle Mike.
Hi, Uncle Mike.
Can you say, hi, Deborah?
Hi, Deborah.
Can you say, hi, Faith?
Hey, Faith.
Good boy. Say, hi, Uncle Robert.
Hi, Uncle Robert.
Can you say, hi, Brandon?
Hi, Ben.